59's Mike Sullivan is live downtown right now. And Mike, how is the city planning to actually get word out about this change?
Well, Hoosiers will have, like you said, about a week to practice and to get used to seeing masks as a permanent fixture in the city. But over the next few days, you may see some artwork popping up in your favorite restaurants or hotspots promoting mask use.
Doodle it, color it, shape it.
It is next level.
However you wear your mask is up to you.
It just seems so no-brainer to me that it's crazy.
When and where you need it, however, that's now a county law in 7 days.
There's people who are not wanting to do it across the board and trying to find excuses not to.
Aaron Skammerhorn is a local artist.
I'm making sure that I have it on every time I'm out in public.
One of 6 commissioned by the city to create public pro-mask art. His, a poster.
Each kind of demographic in that age bracket.
Aaron tapping into crowds you may see on Mass Ave, Broad Ripple.
Kind of wanted to show them standing in solidarity together and being like, hey, we're committed to doing this.
This poster is at Repeal Restaurant. After July 9th, all patrons must wear a mask except for when their food or drink is served.
You have to do whatever you can to control this.
Teresa Webster is the owner of Repeal.
I would rather see everybody wearing masks and get it under control than going the other way and being more leisure about it and then having to close everything up again.
Children under 2 will not need one, nor will anyone running, biking, or driving past the restaurant.
The unfortunate thing about the current situation around the world is that people are pretty dead set in their ways, and if they're currently not wanting to do something, it's kind of hard to motivate.
Perhaps some artistic encouragement.
Most people want to kind of fit in.
Will be enough motivation.
Now, yesterday, the mayor announced a $1 million ad campaign to try and get people to come and visit here in Indianapolis. The Indy Arts Council put out a survey asking Hoosiers what they would do to want to come downtown, and 65% of them said they'd be more likely to go to events or restaurants or bars if all participants, both the workers and people at those places, were wearing masks. Live downtown, I'm Mike Sullivan, Fox 59 News.
Now, if